Hi, this is Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. Today we're going to give you our top websites for interactive whiteboard games for teaching English. Let's check it out. So we have a lot of games on our website at TeamTeacherChina.com, and as we've said before, there are amazing games on the Weigook forum. But today we want to look at some new places that we've not mentioned before that are more advanced interactive games. The first up is one called GamesToLearnEnglish.com. All these games on this website are Flash-based games, and there are generally two types on the site. There are ones that you need an internet connection for, and the ones that you don't need an internet connection for. So the ones that you need an internet connection for are all Flash-based, so you'll need a computer that actually can deal with Flash. And they're just very simple interactive games that are very fun for the kids to use and to whiteboard with. If you don't have, or as like myself, you have dodgy internet connection at your school, you can actually go to the download section and download some of these cool games to use and keep them on your USB and load them from your USB as a program. Highly recommend this website, it's great. Next up, we've got a Johan Jung's blogspot. So this is a teacher in Korea that does these more advanced PPT games that you can download and are very easy to use and to adapt to your needs. They also have some suggestions on these sites for ideas on how to upgrade your existing PowerPoint lessons as well. Next up, we have Rusnak Creative. This person does advanced PowerPoint games, but they're all based on game shows like Family Feud and Jeopardy and Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. You can download these, and they actually have some good explanations and templates for how you can adapt them to your target language. So highly recommend this site as well. Next, we have ESL Games Plus. These games are Flash-based games and all based on TEFL and target language, and there's quite a variety. However, they are all internet-based games, so you will need access to the internet, and some are premium, so you might have to sign up to get access. Then there are the British Council website and the BBC website that do these Flash games, like I'd mentioned before.
Premier Skills. Beat the Keeper. Concrete.
And there's also a Chinese website called yingyugames.com. It's all in Chinese, but they have a wealth of different games, from the Flash-based, internet-based games to PowerPoints and printables, to board games, and even sort of apps for iPad and Android. It is all in Chinese, but you can pretty much navigate it quite easily. If you like the video, remember to like and subscribe to our channel.